Welcome back to Little Tech Learners. Today, we dive into a world that shapes our digital universe, the world of coding. What is coding, and how is it similar to learning a language? Let's embark on this enlightening journey to discover the art and science of coding. Imagine giving instructions to your computer to create something amazing. That's coding. It's the process of using programming languages to instruct computers to perform tasks. These tasks range from displaying a web page to controlling a robot. Coding is the backbone of all the digital tools and services we use daily. Diving deeper into programming languages. Programming languages are the tools we use to write instructions for computers. They vary in complexity and purpose. For instance, Python is known for its readability and simplicity, making it a favorite for beginners. Java, used in Android app development, is praised for its robustness. JavaScript brings websites to life with interactive elements. Each language has its unique features, but they all share the common goal of turning ideas into digital reality. Why coding is like learning a language. Grammar and syntax. Every programming language has its own syntax, a set of rules on how code should be written. This is similar to the way each spoken language has its own grammatical rules. Vocabulary. Learning to code involves understanding a series of commands, functions, and keywords, just like expanding your vocabulary in a new language. Communication. Coding is about communicating with a computer. You give commands, and the computer responds with actions. This two-way communication is akin to conversing in a foreign language, where clarity and structure are key. The building blocks of coding. Variables. Think of variables as containers that store data. They're like the nouns in a language, holding the subject of our coding sentences. Functions. Functions are sets of instructions that perform specific tasks, like verbs in a language. They take inputs, process them, and return outputs. Control structures. These are the logical statements that dictate the flow of your program, like constructing sentences in a language. They include loops, conditionals, and decision-making statements. Expanding on coding concepts. Algorithms. An algorithm is a series of steps to solve a problem or perform a task, like a recipe in cooking. Understanding algorithms is crucial for efficient coding. Debugging. This is the process of finding and fixing errors in your code, akin to correcting grammar and syntax in a language. Libraries and frameworks. Just as languages have dialects and accents, coding languages have libraries and frameworks, sets of pre-written code that help streamline development. The impact of coding. The influence of coding extends beyond tech creation. It fosters critical thinking, logic, and problem-solving skills. In today's world, coding literacy is becoming as essential as reading and writing. It's a skill that empowers you to understand and shape the digital world, not just consume it. Embarking on the journey of learning to code is like learning to read and write for the digital age. It's a passport to a world of creativity and innovation, where you can bring your ideas to life and be a part of a community that's shaping the future. Coding isn't just for computer scientists. It's for anyone with curiosity and the desire to explore the possibilities of technology. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of coding with Little Tech Learners. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe for more adventures in technology.